With 4 days left to shop for the Christmas gifts on your list, the rush is on.
Yes, Texas Retail Association tells us sales are up 11% this year compared to last year, and that also means that the seasonal jobs are strong as well. But one of the biggest areas of growth has been in online sales, of course, and that runs the gamut from mom and pop shops all the way up to those big box retailers. The Retailers Association says businesses are adapting after Amazon came in and changed the game for how you buy gifts.
They definitely set a trend, but I think the other part of the story is that isn't being told as much is that many of those companies and stores that we all know and have known for many years have adapted and have moved to those models, and you're now seeing them compete very, very effectively for those shoppers with Amazon.
Well, free shipping and in-store pickup are for some items also have been credited with increasing sales as well. And just in time for the last-minute shoppers, the Domain and Barton Creek Square Mall are going to be staying open later. The Domain's going to be open from 9 a.m. to 10 o'clock leading up to Christmas Eve. And then tomorrow and Saturday, Barton Creek Square Mall is going to be open from 8 a.m. till 10 o'clock at night. Both locations are going to be open from 8 to 6 on Christmas Eve.